Hi, welcome to techgraphicsyt. In today's video, I will show you how to convert your photo into a sketch using AI for free.
So lädt Sketch startet. Open your Chrome browser.
Search by typing Fater AI and click on the first website. Then go to the AI Tools menu and select Photo to Sketch. Click this to turn photo into sketch now. And select your desired image. You can see many sketch styles here. You can select the style according to your image. I selected the ink art style. As soon as you select it, your image will start converting into a sketch. Your image has been converted to a sketch. You can see the previous and next image. You can download the image by clicking the download button.
We are drawing another image.
I will select a style in pencil drawing. Then after a while our image will be converted into a sketch. Please comment and tell me how you liked the video. Until then, be well, bye. Click on this video to see how to create neon effect in Photoshop.